Hey guys, if you've been keeping up with AI tools for developers, you've probably seen a lot of buzz about Lovable and GitHub Copilot. Both claim they can speed up your workflow, help you code faster, and automate the boring stuff, but they do it in completely different ways. So let's break it down and figure out which one actually fits your style. Let's start with Lovable because this one is shaking things up. Lovable isn't just an AI assistant, it's more like an AI app builder. Instead of helping you write code line by line, it tries to build entire applications for you. You describe what you want, tweak a few details, and Lovable generates full-stack code across multiple files automatically. It sets up your project structure, creates components, handles API routes, styling, state management, even deployment setups in some cases. This makes it perfect for developers who want to ship fast, prototype ideas, or build MVPs without doing every small task manually. The downside, you're relying on the AI's interpretation of your instructions. If you need extreme control or a very specific architecture, you'll probably end up doing some cleanup work. And because Lovable is newer, the ecosystem isn't as mature yet. Now let's talk about GitHub Copilot, the tool most developers already know. Copilot works inside your existing IDE, VS Code, JetBrains, NeoVim, and gives you real-time AI assistance. Inline suggestions, smart auto-completions, file edits, explanations, unit tests, documentation. And with Copilot Chat and Copilot Agent, it can now take on multi-step tasks inside isolated workspaces. Copilot shines because it works with the code you already have. It doesn't try to replace you. It boosts your productivity while staying inside your existing workflow. Pricing is simple. Free for limited usage, $10 per month for Pro, and $39 per month for Pro Plus with premium models and unlimited agent requests. The trade-off? Copilot doesn't build full apps automatically. It won't generate huge multi-file projects the way Lovable can. It's incredible for coding with you, but not for building everything for you. So, which one is better? If you're a developer or entrepreneur who wants to build apps fast, generate full project structures, and ship prototypes or MVPs at lightning speed, Lovable is a game changer. It's like having an AI co-founder that can spin up an entire app from a single idea. But if you want a trusted integrated coding assistant that helps you write cleaner, faster code inside the tools you already use, GitHub Copilot is still the gold standard. It's reliable, well-supported, and fits seamlessly into any coding workflow. Here's the real answer. Choose Lovable if you want AI to build large parts of your project for you. Choose GitHub Copilot if you want AI to enhance the code you write yourself. If this breakdown helped you out, hit like and subscribe. I compare the most talked about tools every week across AI, development, finance, and tech. And now I'm curious. Which one would you pick? Lovable or Copilot? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I always love seeing what real developers think.